on my shoulders makes me happy. Hi, I'm Lisa. I am the ukulele fool. Foolishly believing that we need sunshine in our lives. Thanks to my patrons, this was a request. We did a poll. We had close to 500 votes, and this came out number 2 on the poll. You only need these chords if you're playing a soprano concert or tenor ukulele, and here are the chord fingerings if you are playing a baritone ukulele. We're going to do a 2-beat strum to do that, so it's a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Keeping it really simple. However, at times you need to do 2 patterns of the 2-beat strum on chords, and I color-coded those in yellow just as a reminder. But I think because of the end phrases, the things to do is to make that an island strum. So for example, this line where we're going, sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. I think changing up your strum like that, if you can do it, really makes your instrument more accompaniment-like, you know, because if there was a drummer, there'd be little fills. And of course, John Denver, he's thrown in some finger picking. Yeah, so that's what I recommend. The hard section of this song is the verses, and we have some rather rapid chord changes to negotiate. So I've got a hack for you. We're going to take that 2-beat strum and we're going to add an A minor 7 up strum on it in order to make that happen. So I'm going to change my camera focus so you can see that up close and personal. Sorry, I know you're a camera hog. With the 2-beat strum, you're going to be lifting up your fingers to make an A minor 7 on the up strum. That gives you a half beat to reposition your hand. It takes some coordination. Let's take the chords from the verses for Sunshine on My Shoulder, and this is the challenging sequence, and let's just practice it in time with that up and there and a pause between each strum. So 1, 2, here we go. C, down, up, reposition. D minor, down, up, reposition. E minor, down, up, reposition. F, down, up, reposition. When you're feeling comfortable with that, then take out the pause so it would sound like this. Ready, begin. C, down, up, D minor, down, up, E minor, down, up, down, up, and back to C. Do that over and over again so it feels like second nature. Once you feel comfortable doing those chord changes, join me for a practice session, and then of course there's the play along as well. And don't forget to grab a chord chart. I've got it linked in the description and in the comments. Let's do a practice session of the verses, just these chords with our strumming pattern. Remember, if they're in yellow, I'm going to do an island strum on them, but you can just double up your 2-beat strum. Nice and slowly. 1, 2, here we go. C, D minor, E minor, and F, and C, D minor, E minor, and F, and C, and D minor, E minor, F, and D minor, and G7. C, and C, D minor, E minor, F, and C. And hang in there with me. Let's just do a little practice session of the chorus as well. Let's see if we can do it without a dog interruption. 1, 2, and here we go. C, and F, and C, and F, C, and F, C, and F, C, F, C, and F, and D minor, island strum, G7, island strum, and C, and F, C, and relaxing, and so did my dog Tally here, who's just been down there listening. Did you know that for every minute here on a YouTube tutorial, it takes me an hour to get it all put together? So thanks to all my patrons for supporting that, and as the thanks, I give them access to over 350 chord charts that are all carefully edited with all the diagrams, things like that. So thanks, patrons. I couldn't be doing this job without you. Come join us on Patreon. There's even a free trial. Our starting vocal pitch is E, Sun, 1, 2. Here we go. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. Sunshine on the water looks so lovely. Almost always makes me high. If I had a day that I could give you, I'd give to you a day just like today. Sunshine all the while. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. Sunshine on the water looks so lovely. Sunshine almost always makes me high. Sunshine almost all the time makes me high. Sunshine almost always. I don't know about you, that made me so happy to sing this song. I just loved this when I was much, much younger. Let me know, do you have other Denver favorites? I read my comments and I respond to them. I'm late at responding to them at times, but I do respond to them. Let me know. And if you'd like Annie's song, I've got a tutorial for that as well. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That is a free way that you can support this channel. If you've already subscribed, thank you very much.